Hello, everyone. When I think of summer, I think fresh, especially fresh produce. There are so many great options in our stores to choose, from peaches to berries to watermelon. Just thinking about it makes me hungry. And our associates will help make sure you get the freshest summer products you want every single time. As you shop with us in our stores, we ask that you help us keep yourself and other customers and our associates safe by wearing a mask. We continue to follow local guidance and our safety and cleaning and physical distancing guidelines to ensure we have a safe environment every time you shop with us. Whether I'm in the office, stores, facilities, or everyday activities, wearing a mask is a simple way to keep myself and others safe. And don't forget, if you prefer to stay at home, we always have alternative ways to shop like Kroger Pickup and Kroger Delivery. I want to thank all of our associates for continuing to wear a mask every time you work. I appreciate all you do to create a clean and safe environment for our customers and each other. At Kroger, we have much to be proud of, and since April, our Kroger Health team has performed more than 100,000 COVID-19 tests at walk-up and drive-through locations across the country. Now the team is taking another step in their innovative approach to testing, the COVID-19 at-home kit. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration has granted emergency use authorization for at-home testing using our kit, which combines the safety and convenience of being at home with expert guidance of a telehealth consultation. We are pleased to offer the at-home test to our associates who are experiencing symptoms as well. The tests are available in select states and at no cost to our associates. Associates can learn more about how to access an at-home test at our internal associate portal feed. Kroger Health continues to be there for our customers and communities, providing access to COVID-19 testing. For additional information, education, and services, visit krogerhealth.com. Check back often as we keep adding testing locations and keep adding information. To our customers, as always, thank you for shopping with us. And to our associates, thank you for all you do every day for our customers, communities, and each other.